So hello everyone. So today we will see one like issue we can say. Okay. So here basically when we're trying to access our dev portal, okay, EP portal. So what it is saying service unavailable. So you will our error also application stopped. So you will see think like okay application is stopped. We need to restart it. We need to start it something like or you can see okay. So just what you will do, you can go here and we can check both instances whether they are running or not, right? So let me check. See, um, function get process. Okay. Um, spelling get process list. Okay. So as you can see, this is okay. Green running. That's correct. So let's check 01. Okay, here also everything is running. So okay, still not available. Then you can think okay, stop and start. All that done. It's not running. But here when you will check correct like precisely in 00 instance, here J2EE server is running in safe mode. Okay, so basically what it when it happens it one once it's happened like whenever you're upgrading system at that time instances start in safe mode, but it also happens sometime when from portal you are stopping or restarting some services, okay, which should not be. Okay, in that case also it happens. So then how can you change this? You need to start your J2EE server in normal mode. So what you can do, here is one tool. Okay, so let me check. Currently I'm in USR SAP. Let me list. Okay, so when you will go here, um okay, let me check something here. Okay, so mm, mm, mm. Okay, that's yeah, that will be started only. So go and let me go in this ID ls. Here you can check in J00 ls cd. Okay, so here there is mm, 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 cd. Okay, so there's one tool. Okay, config tool. um uh, Missing the location, whether it is in DAA. So let me check it properly. Yeah, here it should be. No. Not in this. I'm checking something else here. हुआ क्या स्टार्ट? देख रहा हूँ 1 मिनट. Okay. So let me go under the assembly EXR. Just a second. Okay, so the conflicted location is a SAP SID here in J instance and here in J2 double folder, and inside this you can see a folder config tool. Go inside that. Here you can see two options. One is okay, yeah, config tool that for Windows, that's for Linux, and one more option, console config. Okay, run that, says this. Okay, and run this. Okay, this is starting. Now what we have to do, we have to change the safe mode of instance. Just go inside. Okay, going to change for this instance. So okay, for first what we need to switch off the safe mode, so press 1, enter. Now we need to apply the changes before exiting, or if you have did something which you can't, which you want to revert, just directly exit. Or here if I want to apply, press enter, apply changes. Now press enter to continue. Now okay, see, safe mode is off. Now I can exit it from here, and what I can do, I can again open this. Again, what it is saying, it's not right. So because our application is running, right, so directly it won't take that. We need to restart. So you can check here, list. Again I did wrong. Okay, so it's in safe mode only. What I will do, I will stop. Okay, first we should stop the one, but that's okay. Now what I will do, I will start. मी ते तिथलं बंदच केलं का? तिथलं बंदच केलं, आणत ना तिथलं आणत ना बाहेर तुमची ताई. Wait. It was not stopped actually. Okay, should check first. कुठे चला चला कुठे list. Okay, stopping the processing. Stopping processing. Let me stop for 01 also. तुम्ही काय It also stopping. Stop. Zero also stop. Now I will simply start as it. Also now we will check this. Okay, site is refreshment service done. Now we have restarted. Let's check now. Okay, so checking our services, our data is already started, so it's not started that. Okay, now what you can do, you can check the processes starting. So you can say starting the process and your safe mode is not there. Okay, so now when you will refresh it, simply it's saying Pfizer is a service not available. Means our J2EE service is started. Okay, means issue resolved. Let me wait for a few more seconds. So it will be cleared. Okay, it will take few time. As soon as this is in green started, you can access the portal here. Okay, so wait for a second. EP dev, it's down and starting on service. Yeah, kind of. Hmm. अच्छा आइडिया है. नहीं नहीं मीटिंग में नहीं हो अभी. एक मिनट इसको ऑफ कर दूं ना. ते पांढरे पांढरे असे येतात ते नाही व्हाईट 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 2 मिनट 2 मिनट. अदाकार रे ये चाहते ही मैं बेसिस से शिफ्ट हो जाऊं, बेसिस से चले जाऊं, ये चाहते ही यही है. अरे नहीं, तुम्हारा इतना डेडिकेशन देख के उनको डर लग रहा है. अरे सर दुखता है, मेरे को टेंशन आ गई. आपके डेडिकेशन के चक्कर में हम उधर बढ़ रहे हैं. किसी को पता चले डाउन हो इससे पहले इसको मैं अप कर दूंगा. लेकिन वो रिस्टार्ट किया था ना आपने तो. नहीं, आपने कुछ और लगता है रिस्टार्ट मारा उधर से फिर. नहीं मैंने रिस्टार्ट किया था, उसके बाद आपने क्या किया? मैंने रिस्टार्ट मारा, उसके बाद आपने क्या फिर रिस्टार्ट कुछ किया? कुछ स्टॉप किया था? कुछ भी नहीं किया. आजा चलो. You also want ना like या नाम ही नहीं पता मुझे. क्या नाम है उनका? देवेंद्र. देवन आपका लंच आ जाओ, आ जाओ ज्वाइन करते. टाइम लगेगा. हमारे सर्वर ये काम नहीं कर रहे इसलिए, मतलब जो लोगों के पैसे अटके पड़े हैं. हाँ हाँ इसके लिए शायद रिफंड जनरेट होता है ना. ओके ओके ऐसा लगता है. इसमें कुछ अच्छा लेके आया इसलिए उसको देना नहीं है किसी को, इसलिए चैप्टर है. कल करेला लाया था,
तो आज
आज
क्या
उससे
है?
भी अच्छा है।
क्या है? तो तेरे को दिखाया नहीं है हमको।
आज टिंडे है,
ला फिर।
लाता हूँ। हाँ, सब लोग खाओ।
हाँ,
एक बस 1 मिनट। आज जो इतनी लिया ना टिफिन फेंक के मारूंगा।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, इसीलिए वो छुपा के रख रहा है।
कल करेला लाया था ना, अशोक के पास गया, अशोक अपने से आगे जाने ही नहीं दिया रिटर्न में।
सबसे ज्यादा मैंने खाया करेला। करेला 80 रुपए लेके
ना, मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है। मैंने और लीना ने भरपूर खाया, लीना को भी पसंद है। नहीं, प्रियर को नहीं लिया करेला।
अरे तो प्रिय का नॉनवेज था ना।
हाँ,
प्रिय का नॉनवेज था ना कल।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
तो उठेगा या
9 वेज था, 9 तरह का वेज था।
9 करेगा तो उठेगा या
बस
मेरे
आया
ऊपर
नहीं।
तेरे को
5 मिनट हो गए, अब तक ये स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, मरे जा
हो
रहे हैं।
जाएगा।
Yeah. So as you can see now, all processes started in 5 minutes. Now when you refresh here, okay, now we can refresh and check it's refreshing. Okay, so it's refreshing. Everything is started, right? Yeah. Okay. Let me this my net stop connected. So you can see, okay, it's started. So I have already logged in previously here, so it's directly opened here. You can see it's up. So that's it. Same thing I will say, subscribe, okay, and support. And if you need anything topic on something, some topics from basis or security or anything from SAP, just let me know in comments. I will make that. Bye bye, have a nice day.